You are listening to the new sound of Smooth
Hey,
95.5
welcome back to the channel.
KYOT.
This is Mr. Keep It Real. Kind of excited a little bit today because I finally got my Bugs 3 drone. This is the Bugs 3 drone. Everybody's talking about it. I'm not going to do any kind of unboxing because there are tons of videos about this particular craft. I named her Ms.Red. So yeah, it's very popular. There's many YouTube videos about this particular aircraft. I am a rookie, so therefore I put the prop guards on there, and I also did my first mod, I guess. It comes with 2 sets of landing gears. The big ones for the longer ones for when you have your camera on it, and it also has little small ones when you're flying without the camera. So I took the small ones off and just put the prop guards on there, so it can fly without it. So it kind of like takes off some of the weight. So I'm gonna hook up the camera. This is the camera that you've heard me talking about already. This is the EK 7000 here, and we're gonna put that right in here. So now it slips right in there, fits in real tight, real good, and lock it in. Boom. So I'm gonna fly around and see if I can get some pictures for you. The good thing about the EK 7000 is once I snap it in there, all I have to do is turn it on and press the down button, and then it will connect to my phone wirelessly. So I can actually be flying and monitor what it's taking a picture of. So everybody just hold tight, and we'll go around the corner, and maybe we'll get some. Hopefully, we'll get some good shots of it flying around. Thanks. So this was my first day at flying Ms.Red the Bugs 3, and I got to admit, it is not easy. No, not easy at all. She took quite a beating, but she still could fly. I put the prop guards on. These props, 2 of the props looks like somebody's been chewing on them. That's how bad it is. You know, even with the prop guards. Hey, I don't know if you can see that, but the prop right there, all funky, and it's all dirty. I lost a little foam on 2 of the feet, almost all of the feet. So I might have to do like a little foam repair. Flying was so bad that I landed so hard that I didn't break it, but the little camera mount flipped off. I was doing some hard landings. It's just, I'm cool with cars. You give me something 4 wheels and a steering wheel, even 2 wheels, a motorcycle, I can drive them, ride the mess out of them. Right now, this one right here, Ms.Red, she's hard to handle, but I'm gonna keep working with her. This is like the first day, and I know there's another guy, Dustin, they're listening to me. You got that new birthday present quad. Please be careful, take your lessons, because these bad boys ain't that easy to fly. Got away from it a couple times. It can go high. It's pretty fast. I didn't even try and go fast, but it will get up there real quick. And it's quiet. You talk about quiet motor. When it first came on, I could barely hear it. But so I'll be back at it tomorrow. I'll give myself a 2 out of 10, which is to me, not very good. So I'm gonna be working at it. So hopefully I'll get better.